Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am participating in the monthly card Hoppin Hop. It's a year of fun themes and techniques, and this is being hosted by Jennifer Schoolcraft of the Facebook Handmade Happiness group. So what we do is once a month we have a theme and technique, and this month's theme is florals. And the technique was either mixed media or alcohol inks. So I chose to pull out a few alcohol inks that I had, and I'm going to play with them. And I am using Flamingo, Purple Twilight, and this one I haven't used yet. It's a alcohol pearl. It's Tranquil. Probably Tranquil Teal. Tranquil. And then I might throw in this silver mixative. I'm going to be playing with the alcohol lift ink using this beautiful floral heart stamp by Simon Says Stamp and some Yupo paper. So let's get started playing, and I'll put some music for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, so I let my alcohol inked panel dry completely, and I have already placed my stamp more or less where I want it. Yeah, I think that'll work. And I am using the alcohol lift ink. So let's see how this works out. Now, once you put the alcohol lift ink on your panel, you're supposed to get a soft, dry cloth and blot up the image, and then rub the lift ink off. And then what I'll also do is, once I have this lifted off, I'll use what's on the stamp to put on a card base, another one. And this little lovely my husband made for me. These are finials for, I think, curtain rods, but that does help. And I'm sorry if the table's shaking. I still have my phone mount to the desk. All right, let's see. I'm going to take this one off and just put some plain cardstock in here. And put this on here. Oh, that did turn out beautifully. Okay, then I can make a second card with this one. In the meantime, I will clean that off of the stamp in just a minute, but I'm going to go ahead sparklies. So here's my 2 cards using florals and alcohol inks. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.